Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And we're starting off on the daily time frame because on the daily time frame, it definitely still looks to me like a possible end of a correction. If this is the end of a correction, it needs to maintain its down movement. It cannot break structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level. So if it does break structure, which we are currently sitting at the 78%, if it does break structure to the upside at a fib level, then we may have to come to the realization that we possibly are going to make another leg up, and this is like an A, B, and then this is the C of wave Y. So definitely something to keep in mind. Going all the way down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do not have a breaker structure up yet. So we are definitely still bearish the dollar. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. If it makes like some sort of a three-wave pullback up to any one of these Fibonacci levels, nice engulfing move to the downside or a nice breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely take that as a short on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.